kimbap. You want to eat that?
So today I have another cooking related video to share with you. My husband, Mr. Tsering, requested that he would like to have some fresh spring rolls for dinner tonight, and so I thought it would be a nice idea to share the process of how I make them with you guys as well in this video today. What we'll be making are the Vietnamese summer rolls, or Vietnamese fresh spring rolls. That's really great for spring or summer. It's just very healthy and very light as well. So that is what I will be sharing with you today. I've already gone ahead and done all of my grocery shopping, so we will go straight into the actual making of the spring rolls right now. Vegetables are washed and soaked and set to the side. I am going to prepare the pork belly. I'm just gonna chop off a little bit and then keep the rest in the freezer. Let's see, maybe just this much. So this is all I'm gonna be using. Okay, now I'm gonna cook this in a pot of boiling water. And then to this, I'm also going to add a little bit of salt. And this usually takes me about 30 minutes or so. Okay, so now that we have the pork cooking, I'm going to start also preparing the shrimps. So I think they're dry enough, so I'm gonna go ahead and cook them now. Okay, I think it's hot now. And I'm just gonna keep the heat at medium-high, because shrimps generally they don't take too long to cook, and if you overcook them, they won't taste good either. And the reason why I'm not putting any oil into the pan when cooking shrimps is because they naturally produce water as they cook, so you don't really need anything in there. I really love shrimps. I haven't eaten shrimps in so long. Maybe next time we'll make some tom yum with shrimps. Okay, the shrimps are pretty much done and it smells so good. Oh my god. It reminds me of home right now. Because where I'm from, we have a lot of seafood, so this really reminds me of my hometown. Ah, yummy! Look at that. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and start peeling them. Okay, now that I've gone ahead and peeled them, I'm also going to devein them. You see that little black bit in the middle there? You need to remove that, and the way to you remove that is by cutting the back of the shrimp like this. You'll see all the black vein right here, so you need to take that out. There. once I've deveined them, I'm also going to cut them in half. Next, I am going to prepare the pork, and for the pork, I'm just gonna thinly slice the meat and keep it aside for the roll. Pork and the shrimps are now ready to be rolled into the spring roll. Now I am going to prepare the vermicelli. So I'm just waiting for the water to boil, and then I'm going to go ahead and cook my vermicelli. Now for the spring roll dipping sauce, I am going to prepare some garlic, peanut butter, and some hoisin sauce. Okay, let's move to the stove. Some oil. And then fry the garlic until it's brown. Next, I'm going to put in some hoisin sauce. 3 spoons. 2, maybe 4. Next, I'm going to add some of the pork broth that I made earlier from the pork belly. Next, I'm going to add some peanut butter. It smells really good. A little bit of sugar. Just gonna add a little bit. Okay, and voila. Done. Like the noodles are ready. Alright guys, so all the ingredients are ready. So we are ready to roll. And this is the rice paper that I'll be using for today. Okay, so to start off, I'm gonna take my rice paper and I'm gonna dip it into some warm water right here. Put some vegetables. And then on the other side, I'm going to put some shrimps like this, a piece of pork, and some noodles in the middle. Then I'm going to gently roll. Yay! And done. And voila, done. Now it's time to call the husband to try it out. Yay! Vietnamese spring rolls. Anyway, how do they look?
They look pretty good, appetizing. Presentation wise, right off the bat, I'll give you a 7, and we'll build off of that. Okay?
Oh, he's so hard to please.
No, let's go with the 7.5,
Yeah.
and then let's go from there.
All right. You do the honors and pick anyone you want.
All right,
And
so
eat it. And let me know.
so
how
instead
it
of dipping
tastes.
directly in here, I want to, take some sauce on the plate.
I made that too, by the way.
Yeah, from scratch.
Uh-huh.
Nice.
Thank you.
Okay. 심다고 쉬우시더라. 이 당분이 dinner try 줘. 돼지 씨는다. Shrimp. And then a pork 들어다. Pork은 그래 자기도 매로 있네. 또 three exception 도 치네.
Good. It's so good you forgot how to swallow. Don't choke.
Hell yeah.
Okay, I'm good.
First bite. So I'll give you 1.5. So 9.
9? Really? Only 5. Wow, actually the sauce came out really good. It's so fresh.
It's very fresh.
Right? Got a bunch of crabs in it. Like it? Okay, I'm glad. What?
Did you put some sugar in the sauce?
A little bit.
How much?
Like 1 spoon.
Okay.
This one is just hoisin sauce, garlic, peanut butter,
Oh yeah.
a little bit of soup
Oh
in
yeah.
there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Number 2.
So out of everything that I've cooked for you on this channel, which one you like the best?
This is definitely up there.
So it's still not up there?
This is up there. What else? Momo. What else? Tukpa. Okay. Just 3, right? So far. 1. Tukpa number 2. Momo number 3. They're all good though. 제일 뒷배신 무슨 요리다. 킴밥. You wanna eat that?
Kimbap.
킴밥 예시 무슨 요리야?
요이시무루.
Yeah, 빼메시 신부.
Messy shimbo?
빼메시. 빼신부.
Messy shimbo. Why messy?
It's I guess like a formal way of saying very good. I want to eat another one. I mean, I'm full, but
You don't need to. I'll just wrap it up for later.
I can probably do another one. Yeah, I should probably do another one.
So you didn't give me the overall score.
9.2.
9.2. Wow. That's the highest score you've given me so far. I'm glad that you liked it, babe. Okay, so from the 7, I think, rolls that I made, we only have 1 left. So that is a clear indication that we both really enjoyed it, and I'm happy that it turned out well. Anyway, thank you so much guys for tuning into today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching me make my version of the summer Vietnamese rolls. And do leave us comments down below about what you guys think of the rolls. Anyway, thank you so much again for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of the day and we will see you in the next video.
Tashi Delek สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดี
จริงๆ
ค่ะ
เหรอ
Tashi
แหวนค่ะ
That's too much.
โอเค
Okay, bye guys.
ปุ่มรักคุณมักๆจริงๆเหรอ
Okay,
ของเหรอ
bye.